Hey, I am unboxing the new Reverse Regimen today, and I'm going to try it out for the first time to let you know my thoughts on it. Okay, so 100% of the people who used it noticed brighter skin. And so, you know, as somebody who used to be bad and do all the bad things, you know, tanning and all that kind of stuff, I've got some sun damage that I try to keep at bay, and I'm always working on it to see if I can, you know, improve that. Got to take the little protection off of it. Okay. All right, here we go. So you know that your products are straight from the factory. Always order from us. Okay. All right, so here we go. Here is the cleanser. It is the deep exfoliating cleanser. Okay. All right. So if you love a good scrub, this is it. Let me tell you, I love it. Okay. So really important though is that you have to ramp up to this. Okay. With Reverse as well as Unblemished, you have to ramp up. Okay. You go slowly. You do not just jump in and start using either one of those every day, twice a day. There is a schedule, there's a card that comes in your regimen that tells you how to get started with it. Okay, so here we go. Yeah, and go ahead and treat your neck and your décolleté also. All right, I am going to get that off now. Okay, here we go. Great scrub. Got to exfoliate so your products will work well, so you can reveal brighter skin. And that is the key to our multi-med therapy, is we accelerate the skin cell turnover so that your skin is brighter and more youthful looking. And when you do this, you get your skin ready to receive the other products that are going to be working on fine lines and wrinkles, all of that kind of stuff. Okay, so I got all of that off. Okay. Whew. Now, I'm going to be using the toner. Okay, this one is the Intensive Brightening Toner. Like I said, Reverse is my jam in the morning. Now, I usually use my Redefine at night, and I will continue to do that to the point that I can ramp up to twice a day, because I really want to see the results from just using the Reverse regimen. But you have to be gentle. Some people might need to use a Soothe or something like that to ramp up during their ramp up. Okay, my skin is used to this, and so therefore I can go a little bit faster. Okay, yeah, I've been using the products now for 11 and a half years. Okay, so I use them daily, and I had a lady yesterday who was talking to me about her eyes. She has hooded eyelids, and she's going to have that eyelid surgery. And she looked at me and she said, "Oh, your eyes look really good. What do you use?" And I said, "Oh, yeah, I have a really good eye cream. We have a really good eye cream that we use." And so let me get my little mini eye cream in here. It is our multifunction eye cream. Okay, little mini size. I love that. And by the way, we do have our minis, mini special, our travel size regimens on special right now, and so I'm going to tell you a little bit about that as well. Okay, now the next step is going to be my brightening defense lotion. Now this is going to be the one that has SPF in it, SPF 50 as a matter of fact. The sun's not out today here, but you know the earth is tilting more toward the sun, the northern hemisphere, and so it is going to be getting brighter. As that skin, as that sun gets brighter on us, then we need to ramp up our sunscreen. Okay. All right. So there you go, right there. And I'm going to apply that. But I'm going to use that 50 because my skin is not used to the sun. And I've had some issues in the past in March when there's more sunlight and it's stronger with my skin getting sensitive to the light. And so you've got to be careful with that. I get a little bit of sun on my skin early in the morning, okay? Like when I run or something like that, I watch the UV index and make sure that it's not too high. I want to get about 10 to 20 minutes. Actually, it's 20 minutes if it's cloudy, and it's 10 minutes if it's not cloudy. But you got to watch that UV index, okay? So that you do not get too much sun, okay? I'm speaking here from experience, former sun worshiper, and now paying the price for it with skin cancers, okay? So you've got to have a balance there between getting your vitamin D from the sun and, protecting your skin, okay? I highly recommend getting it from fortified foods as well, like milk and orange juice and things like that too, so you're not totally dependent on getting it from the sun. However, 10 minutes if the sun is out, 20 minutes if it's overcast. That's enough to do it, okay? Now, about our travel regimens, okay, right now we have the travel size, and it is the new reverse travel size, okay? Here's my little travel bag that I take with me. I just grab this when we're getting ready to go on a trip, and that's the first thing I throw in my suitcase, okay? It's got my redefine, my reverse, and it's also got my smooth hair care regimen that comes in a travel size. If you are traveling by plane, these are TSA approved, and if you're just traveling any other way, they're space saving, and you don't have to go anywhere without your regimen. Okay, one more thing that started also is that we have a month size, a 1 month size of our regimens. If you've not been totally committed to do the 2 month size, then you can get in on the 1 month size that we have right now, okay? And so those are available right now. That's just, for people that are a little bit like they want to test the waters, okay? But now the travel sizes, you can also test the waters that way. That's going to last you about 2 weeks, okay? So we've got the 2 week option, you have a month option, you have the 2 month option, which really lasts you more like 2 to 3 months, especially reverse, because you're going to follow that schedule, okay, to ramp up, and it's going to take you about a month to get all ramped up into the full, using it twice a day, okay, morning and night. Okay, so if you have any questions, then drop me a DM and I'll fill you in on all the details and help you get the best deals plus glowing skin and hair, okay? So now, gotta go get my makeup on and get ready for the day. All right, bye everybody. Y'all have a great day.